it is, what it is, DT it's your girl Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I hope you like me. Now stick around, hit the subscribe button, and post notification bell so you won't miss another video.
Just rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain.
Please excuse that background noise, y'all. I'm washing clothes, or well, the clothes are in the dryer, cooking, trying to decorate. I'm trying to do a lot of stuff all at one time. I'm trying to record Christmas videos. I'm trying to do pre-record videos, cook, clean. I'm trying to do the whole nine. But anyways, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm back with Diana, and this is like this is called like a waterfall, I believe. Y'all know it's in different languages, so. But I do have the subtitles on, so if y'all watching this, make sure y'all turn the subtitles on, okay, so you can follow along. But before I get into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and let's get straight to it. Oh. Yeah, like a waterfall.
Твои бездумно голубые глаза, я в них смотрела, не боясь потерять, и говорила все, что знала, как есть, зачем повод искать. А ты совсем позабыла обо мне, у тебя уже другая, вариантов нет. Пускай адресат мой твоих смс, но я все еще здесь. Я лечу водопадом прямо вниз. Ты меня не лечи, мне не спастись. Спрятав гордость во внутренний карман, чувства испепелив, иду в банк. Ты уже не доживет, нету сил. Зачем нам звезды, что были сожжены? С тобою мы разучились дорожить, несмотря ни на что, знай, не держи, не держи. Знаешь, наверное, просто все давно решено, и неизбежным стал наш общий синдром. Ты тянешь руки, но уже не хочу, я просто молчу. Веришь? Я так хотела к тебе сильнее прижаться, веришь? Никого ближе себе не могла представлять, я помнишь? Ты обещал быть навечно со мной, но сейчас постой, стой, стой. Я лечу водопадом прямо вниз. Ты меня не лечи, мне не спастись. Спрятав гордость во внутренний карман, чувства испепелив, иду в банк. Ты уже не доживет, нету сил. Зачем нам звезды, что были сожжены? С тобой мы разучились дорожить, несмотря ни на что, знай, не держи, не держи. Я лечу водопадом.
Okay. That was Miss Diana. Let me make sure this don't start again. Oh, I'm about to start something else. Ooh, wait. Okay, y'all. I'm sorry about the background noise. Like I said, I got the air fryer going too. But tomorrow I got the air fryer going now. Yeah, I like this song. Actually, when I seen like a waterfall, I'm like, oh, she's heartbroken. And I was like I was looking down because, like I said, I'm reading lyrics because it's like, you know, everything is in Russian. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, y'all. It's like my computer is like going crazy right now. But her voice is amazing. Every time I react to her, it's like, it's incredible. Like every song that she performed, like this is just a lyric video, and you could just imagine how she was like actually perform. I don't know if she ever performed this song, but this was requested. But everything is like a true masterpiece. That's how I like her voice is amazing, incredible. And I don't know if y'all watched the videos before. If you haven't, she's a beautiful young lady. She's very talented. Like her voice is amazing. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that, but yeah, I hope y'all guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I don't want to talk too much because I got a lot going on in the background, and I know somebody will in the comments like, oh yeah, blah 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 blah. But anyways, I hope y'all guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below if y'all want to see more. I know y'all do, but that's why I keep bringing her back. But like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and like I always say, stay blessed, stay safe, and I'm out.